Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. As we all know that we are going through some difficult times right now. Everybody is tensed about going out and especially our little ones. We cannot send them out and they are also, along with them, we are also having a lot of mental pressure. Like what is going to happen, how are we going to make our family stay safe, and how are we going to make our little ones stay safe. So we are making them stay at home for that, not being able to do any such constructive things, and they're not being able to see their friends or the little ones like them. They're not being able to mix with them, so they're not being able to talk to them. This is the reason all of the little ones are also getting irritated. I'm getting many requests from parents to start some online classes for these little ones. Thinking of them, I have planned something for these little ones. Like I have planned some online classes for them. Children feel very lonely nowadays. Their parents are also busy with their own work, and they don't have their friends along with them to play. They do the constructive things, and along with that you need to listen to them also sometimes. Through these classes we will study, and I'll also listen to them and communicate to them in their own way, so that they feel free and they talk to me. As much as they'll talk to me, it will be beneficial for me, because I'll be able to groom them in that manner. Along with studies, they'll also enjoy the classes so that they can communicate with each and every friend and with the teacher as well. Now many parents have a doubt whether my child will be able to learn anything from this online classes, or whether they'll be able to do it properly, they'll sit for the classes or not. So all of you have this doubt. But for this I want to say something like, if children are not doing their particular work, like learning alphabets, numbers, shapes, whatever I have shown in my previous videos, if they are not learning those things properly in a proper technique and along with some music, like in a proper program, then it may be a little difficult for them to cope up with this in future, because they'll be going to some schools afterwards. So they will be able, it will become a little difficult for them to cope up with all these things. And if they go through a planned and structured way and learn all the things, it will be totally beneficial for them. So thinking of them, I have planned the program, online program, in such a way that they'll be, along with their leisure time, they'll be able to learn some rhymes. They'll have separate activity time. They'll do some worksheets, and along with that they will play some time. They'll watch some videos. The program is designed in such a manner that they'll enjoy all through. Maybe they'll take a little bit time. The first day or second day they may run away a little bit, and afterwards when they get practiced with all these things, after a week or after 2 weeks, they get settled with the things, and regularly they get more interested with the classes. Like I have my classes this time, I'll be able to see those videos, I'll be able to see my friends, and I'll be able to talk to them virtually. So they'll get interested that way, and their process of learning will not get hampered this way. The pattern which they get in the school, they'll be able to learn that way, in that way. I have also made some worksheets. Like if you're making your kid practice at home, watching my videos, that's fine, that's like a homework. But along with that, if they get regular classes, they'll be able to learn more. They'll be able to learn in a structured way. And so for this I have prepared some worksheets. Like if you go to the market to buy something for their written work or coloring, or matching words, matching letters, matching numbers, you'll have to buy some separate books for them. Like one for alphabet, one for numbers, one for activity, one for IQ, one for drawing. So you can buy them afterwards, but at the beginning I have prepared these worksheets myself for these little ones. Like whoever is starting writing from 2 years to 3 years or 4 years, you can practice this kind of worksheets at home, and these are all selected worksheets from all those things, like some from alphabets, some from numbers. These worksheets are a mix and match of some alphabets, some numbers, some IQs, some drawing. All these things will be included in these worksheets. So they'll enjoy the whole thing when they learn all the things. Then after that you can go to any kind of books like that. And these worksheets will be available. Whoever is interested to get these worksheets, you can mail me in my Gmail ID, which will be provided in the description box. I have heard complaints from many parents that enrolling for an online class with a particular school did not help much, because my child did not get any particular attention, and so he did not feel interested for the classes. Keeping this in mind, I have kept the batch size very small. Moreover, this is the time when most of the K2 schools distribute forms for their interview and admissions. So the grooming of the child is also very necessary during this time. In my classes, grooming of a kid for the interview and preparing the kid totally for the K2 school, facing the interview and going to the in future when they'll go to the classes, they'll be totally prepared. I've designed my classes that way so that they be prepared to go to any school and continue their studies that way. So to sum up, what are you going to benefit from the classes? Like particular programs for the children when they don't get bored, they have some activity, then again they'll write and they'll sit and write, again they'll stand up for some songs and actions, again they'll sit for some time to listen to a story, and along with that every day questioning and grooming the kid for conversation. All these things will be included in my classes. So I have already prepared one video for the interview of these kids, so please go through that and practice that way. And whoever is interested for my online classes, please contact me at koel1612@gmail.com. Till then, bye bye. Keep watching my videos.